everybody, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz, and yet again, I am your spice master here today. Hey, what are we making today in the kitchen? We're gonna be making something that is super simple, so easy, yet packs a punch with flavor. We're gonna be making couscous. And yes, it is a dish and not just a cute pet name. So this is something that I usually will get the couscous and make it and add all the flavors and all of the garlic and everything, but I'm gonna cheat a little bit today and show you this quick and easy recipe because I have this from Near East. It is a couscous parmesan, but we don't just make it as they expect us to. I'm gonna be adding Sonya's sweet and spicy to it. I'm going to be adding olive oil, and of course, I'm gonna be adding more parmesan, and it's gonna tie this thing together and make an amazing side dish to anything like pork chops, chicken, steak, or you can add it to any vegetarian dishes, serve it alongside a veggie burger. I actually like to eat a bowl of this on its own, and it is quite filling and it's super tasty. So what we're gonna be doing is taking this all over to the stove, putting it in the pan, heating up the water, adding the ingredients, and then adding the couscous to the boiling water, and it is, yes, it is that easy. So let's head over to the stove, turn up the heat, and get moving on this dish. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 1/4 cup of water. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna wait for this to come to a boil, and then we're gonna start adding in our additional ingredients. We're going to add in the contents of the little spice packet that came along with the box. I'm going to just whisk that in there together. I'm going to add in my Sonya Sweet and Spicy, which I've got here about 2 tablespoons. We're going to still continue to whisk that together. And this is not going to take long. We only have 1 1/2 cups of water, so it's not going to take long to get this completely nice and mixed up. All right, as you can see, this is nice and boiling, and at this point you can turn off the heat. We don't need the heat anymore, and we're going to go ahead and add in our couscous. We're going to whisk that all in together, and it literally has to just sit for about 5 minutes. But the last thing I'm going to add, which is going to be the main amazing ingredient, is this Parmesan. Just extra Parmesan because it's going to make it cheesy, it's going to meld in there, and it's just going to give this an amazing flavor. So we're just going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and it should be all ready. So let's check back. All right, look at this. This is awesome, and I want to show you how easy this is to fluff this up after it's had a chance to absorb in all these flavors. You see the Sonya Sweet Spicy, you can see the Parmesan, you can also see all the herbs that came with the little spice packet. But if you start fluffing this up, it's going to almost increase and double in volume just because it's had a chance to really settle. And we're going to put this in a little serving bowl and go from there. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. This is amazing, super simple, super flavorful, and amazingly yummy. All right, was that easy or what? I love quick and easy dishes that pack a punch, are quite impressive, and that are just flavorful. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna give this a little try. Gonna put some of this in my bowl. I've been dying for this. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I've got the Parmesan, the couscous, the flavor packet. Yeah, is it cheating a little bit? Yeah, but so what? I like this Near East because it gives just the right portions for maybe 2 people, maybe 3, depending on if it's a side dish. And of course, it has no preservatives in here. And if you know Sonya Sweet and Spicy, there are no preservatives in my product either. It's all good, it's tasty, it's flavorful, and it'll last quite a while. That's of course if you don't consume the whole jar. So let's give this a taste. So amazing. You've got all of the flavors of your Parmesan and your herbs and spices. You can even add to this more. I just got the nice little warmth from the jalapenos, which was a nice, beautiful little treat. It's not overbearing. It's a nice, gentle, sweet flavor mixed in with all of the Parmesan and the olive oil, the couscous, and everything else in this dish. Give it a try. If you like to do couscous without any flavor packets, by all means. This is about 1 good cup of couscous. You can double, triple the recipe. I've taken this out to ladies' nights out or anything where you take a dish to share. Hopefully after COVID-19, we'll be able to share this recipe with everyone that you know. And take this and share it, triple it. Couscous is so affordable. It doesn't cost very much. And it literally, I mean, no more than 7-8 minutes on the stove. An amazing treat, especially for any weather. Hot weather, cold weather, it's comfort food all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this bowl. Okay, I cannot get enough of this. So good, so good. You know that we're on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok. All the links are down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click the bell down below so you can get notified of when I have new videos. If you know me, you'll know that you'll end up getting the happy food dance going on because this is my sweet and spicy and other recipes that I have on my channel are introducing you to new fusion flavors of sweet and spicy and a whole lot of really great goodness. So Sonya Paz here with Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. I'm so glad that you tuned in today and we will catch you next time. Have a good day. Take care. Bye. Can't get enough of this. Happy food dance. So good. So good.